Hi guys, my name is Shabaz Salim. Welcome back to the channel. And guys, we are back with latest bridal blouse designs. Okay, so now we are start to printing on the sleeves, and we are also stitching one slim border downside of the sleeves. Okay, when you start to printing, first of all you need to fix your tracing paper center to the sleeves. Okay, then you start to printing, and printing have also two option, one dry chalk and also one liquid option only available for like heavy work like bridal blouse designs, some leaf, some flowers. And if you have like a little a bit work like one flower or two flowers, so I think you will print with the dry chalk also is a very good option. And if you don't have this equipment, so I think you will use dry chalk easily. Okay, so some professional tips and tricks, and also that type equipments like give you very clearly a printing. And also when these sleeves was dry, all leaf was looking very clearly, and it's very good for your blouse designs. Okay, when your design was looking good and also full printing good, so I think you will make easily without any problem. And now you can see the downside of the border. First we are start to stitching on the peacock. And in this blouse designs, sleeves downside have a border 2 inches, and upper side 1 inches some gaps with like a border work. And then we are start to stitching top of the flowers or some leaf with the sugar beads or orange color resham. And this blouse designs also combination is a green self green and also one orange color combination. Okay, so now we are using 7 number wooden needle, and downside is a normal thread. Okay, and guys, if I'll do any mistake to my explanation, please forgive me guys, because my English was not good. But still I'm try for you, because lots of family members does not understand Hindi, and tell me bhaiya I am not understanding Hindi, please do a tutorial in English. So that's why I will start to the explanation in English. Okay, so now we are on the back and stitching like border. Back have not too much work, just this border. And now we are using gold zardozi with 3 number moti and also one sugar beads top of the. Okay, first we are stitching one zardozi, 3 number moti and one sugar beads. Look at this. Okay, same one line like this, and also another one like one moti or one sugar beads. I'll tell you. Okay, and look at this, we also use some 3 number moti, orange color kundans, middle side of the sleeves and back neck. Look at this, that type work we will do all of the neck. And also we are stitching some booties, and booties have a like a little bit different work and very beautiful. Okay, and if you want to order these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We will make same as it is your size, and also we will deliver under 1 week. Okay, so now we are start to stitching booties. First we are completing to the back, then we are going on the sleeves. Okay, because the back have a not too much heavy work, so then we will complete the back, then we are start to stitching on the sleeves. Okay, and these blouse designs are not completed in a one day. You will see the entire tutorials under 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but this is not a reality. We will make one tutorial between 2 or 3 days, and it's a very heavy blouse designs. Back have a not too much work, but sleeves is a very unique work like zardozi, French knots, and resham work, and sugar beads, moti, or many more work on the sleeves. Okay, look at this, all around the kundans we are stitching a zardozi with the 7 number wooden needle. And if we are talking about 7 number wooden needle not for a beginner, it's only for a little bit have experienced person, because this needle was very soft. And if you are beginner, you don't have any idea how to put this needle in your hand, so I think you will break this needle. Okay, so now we are using a do tar needle. Do tar needle is a very common needle for using or stitching thread work. And if you want to stitching thread work, basically you need to buy first of all do tar needle all type thread work completed with the do tar needle. Okay, so now we are start to stitching top of the downside of the sleeves like a peacock and some thread work. And peacock have a two combination like one self or one combination color orange. Okay, and we are also stitching downside of the sleeves some orange color rubies. I'll show you these designs in last clip of the videos. I'll show you how we are stitching rubies downside of the sleeves. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some flowers top of the sleeves. And look at this, now full marking was clearly visible. Okay, and we are also using dotar needle now. And first we are stitching center side of the flower, then we are stitching zardozi all around the flower. And look at this leaf, we are also using like one kundan, one kasab work, and also one gold sugar beads work. I'll show you. And we are also stitching like divided by the leaf, one alternate color like one self or one combination. And if you want to make your own blouse design at your home, and if you want to join my classes, we are also taking online classes on Google Meet, and my classes are paid, but we will give you best work experience and also give you very good quality work tips and tricks. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some old zardozi load. And look at this, middle side of the resham flower was completed. And now we are start to stitching all around the zardozi straight load. It's a very different quality load. And zardozi load have a maximum 2 or 3 variant, like one cross and one straight like this, and I think one other like above of the zardozi, like a downside of the zardozi, and also stitching above of the zardozi. And if we are talking about the leaf, we will stitching all around the leaf with the sugar beads. Now we completed this flower, then we are going to the next work. Okay, and also we are using 7 number wooden needle with the gold plated and downside. Lots of people ask me, Bhaiya, which thread you will use. I'm using normal gold Spectra thread company name Spectra. Okay, and now we are start to stitching straight lines with the leaf like sugar beads. Okay, sugar beads like leaf a straight line, and also we are divide this leaf with like one zardozi load and also one combination color resham. I'll show you in the next. And downside of the, if you are talking about the downside of the border, and border was like 90% was completed, and peacock was almost completed, and some work left a downside of these sleeves, because we are also stitching some 3 number white moti drops downside of the sleeves. And we are also stitching some jerkin stand top of the sleeves. Jerkin stand is a very important thing if you want to shine your blouse designs. So like stone chain or jerkin stand, these two was a compulsory. Okay, now we are start to stitching like zardozi load, and also we are completed with the combination color resham. And now my blouse designs looking gorgeous, start to looking gorgeous. And your blouse designs almost depending on your combination color, because if your combination was good, so your blouse designs also looking good. If your combination was not good, so I think you will not make any good blouse designs. Okay, so also remember combination is the key to like your blouse designs looking beautiful. Okay, so now we are completing the whole leaf. And if we are talking about like some moon shaped leaf, we will stitching some stone chain there. And we also stitching one gold kasab outline entire the leaf, and then we are start to stitching another work. And now we are using 7 number do tar is a 2 needle is a very beautiful. And now we will start to stitching some thread work. And don't worry guys, you don't need to confuse, because we will show you everything like part one by one. Okay, and if you face any difficulties to learn this work, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And also I'll do any mistake to my explanation, please forgive me guys, because I'm not good in English, but still I'm try for you. And now we are recording maximum 20 to 30 days later, so that's why I will face so much difficulties in speaking English, but I'll still try. I hope you understand my problem and also give me very good feedback from your side. And we will just try to we will try to teach you something new from my videos. Okay, and if you want to join my classes, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And now we are start to stitching some white beads drop down side of the sleeves. And first you need to fill whole needle with white moti, 3 number moti, this is okay. And then you need to stitching like some gap between one moti or one moti, same as it is we are stitching the whole sleeves. And if we are talking about the top of the sleeves, we are not stitching like this top of the sleeves, we will stitching like a jerkin stand, 12 number jerkin stand or some 3 number moti, white moti, but not stitching like this type. Okay, look at this, very beautiful blouse designs. Okay, so now I'll show you how to stitching ruby down side of the sleeves. Look at this, this is a second option, and this is not for a beginner. Okay, if you are beginner, you need to stitching hand needles, this type of ruby you need to stitching with hand needles. Okay, and if you have some ideas to stitching with this needle, so you will do, otherwise you don't need to do this type. Okay, same as it is we are stitching the full sleeves down side of the sleeves, both sleeves. Okay, and then this was completed. I'll show you the final blouse design look. And I know guys, I'm feel very embarrassing to my English, but I must still try for you guys. Same as it is we are stitching the whole sleeves, then we are show you the final blouse designs look. I hope you learn so much tips and tricks from my videos. And if you like these designs and you want to buy these blouse designs, please do WhatsApp and tell me, bhaiya, I want these blouse designs. We are making one by one blouse designs with your body measurement. Okay, and if you want to, please do WhatsApp on the same number. So now this is a final look, and also look at this shiny bridal blouse designs and also peacock looking very beautiful. And if you are talking about top of the sleeves, was very fabulous, so very beautiful design. And please guys, tell me how's my design, and you like also you like my videos, and also share with your friends and families. Look at this, and we are always we are stitching like peacock alternate, one opposite. Okay, both peacock are opposite, one going one side and also other one going straight side. Okay, and look at this front neck. And if you want, we will also stitching like a princess cut, straight cutting. Normally we are making all time like cross cutting, and if you want princess cut, we also do. Okay, and if you are talking about back looking very beautiful blouse designs. And this blouse designs of my client from America, Krishnavani ma'am, and very beautiful blouse designs. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.